In this video, I will show you how to use the Gamma AI agent to translate a presentation into a different language. Let's get started. I'll start by selecting the presentation I want to translate directly from my dashboard. Once the project opens and the content loads, I'll head up to the top toolbar and click on the agent icon. This opens a menu of advanced AI-powered features, and I'll select the translate option to proceed. A window will pop up asking me to choose a target language. I'll click the drop-down menu and scroll through the extensive list of supported languages until I find French. After selecting it, I'll simply click the Translate button. On the right side of the screen, the AI agent begins editing my cards. It only takes a few seconds for the AI to process the entire deck. Now, notice how the title slide has updated automatically. As I scroll through the rest of the presentation, you can see that all the text, headings, and descriptions have been successfully translated while the original design and layout remain unchanged. I can also check the sidebar to see a detailed list of the specific changes and compare my original text with the new translation. It's an incredibly efficient way to localize your content for any audience in just a few clicks, and there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Gamma AI agent to translate a presentation. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.